Question number 20. An extension force graph for a graph spring is shown. Okay. What is the spring constant for the spring? Okay. What is spring constant? Where do we get this? F is equal to kx. K should be equal to F by x. Now, what is the slope? What does the graph give you here? If I take the slope, what do we get in the slope? Slope is equal to, this is extension, this is force, which should be Ex by F over here. I got F by x, here it X by F, which means what? One is a reciprocal of the other. So this should be 1 by slope over here, right? So what is slope? Let us find out the slope here. Slope here should be equal to y-axis differences. What is this value? Height. Height is nothing but 15 centimeter divided by force, 6 Newton, right? So here I should now write this as 6 Newton divided by 15 centimeter, which would be 3 2s are 3 5s are, which would be 0.4 Newton per centimeter, which should be 0.4 into Newton divided by 10 to the power of minus 2 meter, because 1 centimeter is 10 to the power minus 2 meter, right? So based on this, I can now write 0.4 Newton per meter, this is a meter square, and this 10 power minus 2 goes upwards, this becomes 10 square. This should be equal to 40 Newton per, what did I do? Oh, I'm sorry, this is meter only, not square meter, Newton per meter. 40 Newton per meter, answer is D over here.